Well, thank you for joining us here at Sweat and Cheers. I am Darlene, Exercise Queen, and this is the second exercise of 5 that we will do in this series to help beginners get started and be consistent in your exercise. This one is called the full body wave, and what we're going to do is put our hands up. As we go up, we go on our toes. As you go down, you lower your feet and you put your hands as far behind you as you can. You come back up and down again. So we're going to do this for 1 minute. So let's get started. Reach for the sky on your toes and down. Reach for the sky on your toes and down. Very simple exercise. This full body wave exercises your back, your hips, your thighs, your waist. So do what you can and do it as often as you can. Do as many as you can. If you can't make it to a minute, just do what you can and then relax. Up, down and back. Up on your toes, reach for the sky, feet down and back. Congratulations to you once again. You have completed the second exercise in the series of 5, the full body wave. After each exercise, just encourage you to do a 15 to 20 second break and then go to the next one as you progress. You'll find yourself doing more each time. God bless you. I love you. Thank you for joining us here at Sweat and Cheers.